Experts in customized CAD, CAM and CNC machining applications, TTL develops software solutions with an emphasis on the automated repair of gas turbine components. TTL aren't just about software. With a workshop of 3 and 5 axis machines, we have the ability to design, manufacture and test fixturing solutions that are perfectly tailored to accompany the adaptive manufacturing process. With the compressor blade cropped and welded, it is loaded into the bespoke fixture on the 5-axis machine tool. The adaptive software is started and the operator selects the type of component to be reprofiled. The software is fully integrated to the machine tool. Initially, a touch probe is used to capture the precise form of the engine room components. This information is then automatically fed back to the adaptive software to update the CAD model. This then regenerates the 5-axis toolpaths, and again, fully automatically sends them back to the CNC machining center for the automated machining process to start. Here we can see the quality of the blend achieved straight after the machining process. The operator has the ability to adjust any of the machining parameters. This could be anything from choosing to leave on more or less material, altering the chord width, or adjusting features such as the squealer. Innovation is at the core of everything we do, delivering highly efficient, advanced software-based machining solutions and first-class customer care.